Welcome investors worldwide. This beachfront is made for you that love nature and love to invest in nature. This beachfront will serve your commercial purpose for beach houses and also for guest houses and for hotel. You can also use here for exclusive civic centers. You may need to know that this place is 5 minutes away from popular Barracuda Beach, Atikan Beach, and other beaches along the coastal road. You may also need to know as an investor that this place has a road called Coastal Road that will soon be processed, linking here to VI and also to Lekki as far as Dangote Refinery and Lakapai Tropicana beaches. Therefore, it is right for you to invest in this estate. Good land with title governor's consent, going for 8.5 million naira per plot. Now, also, this place is behind the popular Eko Akete estate in Lekki. This place is the new Lagos. You know why? Because by the time the road is done, those who didn't have land in VI will move to this side because it's the closest community to VI. Be the first to know, be the first to buy, and wait for those that you want to buy in the future. This is the best investment you can do now. Come and buy from this estate and secure your investment. It's cleared already. Soon, fencing will commence. This is for avid investors and for those who missed Lekki Phase 1 when it was 1 million naira and 5 million naira and going for 100 million naira now. You can buy here now and bet me you will sell it in future for a handsome price. And look for me and give me a cow for bringing you to this investment. All the best. Bye.